Our house used to have some rooms that were too hot and others that were too cold, but I found a way to make our house more comfortable and reduce our energy bills. Your heat and air conditioning flows through your ductwork to the rooms in your house. Leaks in your ductwork make the system less efficient and less comfortable.
It's hot in here. I'm cold.
The average home loses 25 to 40% of heated and cooled air through leaks in the air ducts. The Aeroseal process seals those leaks so the air can flow directly to your living spaces. It's a simple process that uses your existing ductwork. The Aeroseal solution also keeps dust, allergens, and pollutants from being pulled into the airstream. And a more efficient system means less wear and tear on your heating and cooling equipment. With Aeroseal, you'll see increased comfort throughout your home by eliminating hot and cold spots, improved air quality, and energy savings of up to 30%. Seal in the savings with Aeroseal.